Okay, we come now to General Chemistry 2, Quarter 4, Module 2. So, for what I have learned, this module is about the catalyst and its effect to reaction rate. Just like the module 1, I have take note some of what I have learned. What is catalyst? Before anything else, let's define first the catalyst. It is the substances that helps speed up the rate of chemical reaction. It states that catalysts are not changed or consumed during the reaction. Instead, they provide a new mechanism for a new reaction to occur. So, this is what catalyst is. Now we come now to catalysis. What is catalysis? It is the process of speeding up the reaction by using a catalyst. Catalysis is the process. We come now to solid catalyst. So what is solid catalyst? It says here that it can be a metallic elements or semi-metallic elements. So what are the metallic elements? It includes the metal, the oxides, sulfates, and the halides. And the semi-metallic elements are the boron, aluminum, and silicon. These are the examples of the solid catalyst. It states that commonly dispersed in the substances as catalyst support. These are dispersed in other substances as a support. So that is what the solid catalyst is. So we come now to gaseous and liquid catalyst. What are these? From what I have learned, those are usually used in their pure form or in combination with sustainable carriers or the solvents. So we already understand what is gaseous and liquid catalyst is. We come now to the action. Catalytic action, a chemical reaction between the catalyst and the reactants. It states that form chemical reaction that are able and ready to react with one another to form a product. So there are two types of catalyst in this module. These are the homogeneous and the heterogeneous catalyst. The homogeneous catalyst are the catalysts that anal reactants are in the same physical state or phase. So this happened mostly with gaseous catalyst reactants. Example for this are the conversion of phosphate and iodine ions to sulfate ion and iodine. We come now to heterogeneous catalyst. From what I have learned, I take note it here. It is the catalyst and the reactant are in different phases. So if we say heterogeneous catalyst, it is a reactant that are in different phases. Common heterogeneous catalysts must include inorganic or non-carbon containing solid like metals, sulfates, and metallic salts. Important class of heterogeneous catalysts are the crystalline solid made of zeolites. Crystalline solid are the important class of heterogeneous catalyst. We come now to enzymes. So what is the significance of enzymes to the catalyst? Enzymes is the proteins that function as catalyst in all living systems. So it is the natural catalyst found in our body. It has components called substrate, binding sites, and the active sites. Amino acids. From what I have learned in the module, it is the building blocks of proteins and has an even change distribution that makes enzyme possess catalyst capabilities. So amino acids is what makes enzyme to possess a catalytic capabilities. So amino acid is really important in enzymes. So enzyme also lowers the activation energy of a chemical reaction. Catalyst will not affect the degree or the progress of the reaction. Equilibrium state remains unaffected even though the catalyst affects the reaction kinetics. In the reaction, the catalyst lowers the energy of the transition state. The lower the transition state energy lowers the activation energy. So catalysis increase the rates of reaction by providing new mechanisms that has a smaller activation energy. These are the points that I have learned in the module. So just like the module 1, in catalyst there is also activation energy. What is the activation energy do in catalyst? It is the energy level that are the reactant molecule must overcome before the reaction can occur. Activation energy is the reactant that molecules must overcome. So these are what I have learned in module 2.